small town in Tamil Nadu, the village is counting its dead. The death toll in the unfortunate Hooch tragedy has risen to 59 in the latest. There are over 150 people who continue to be in hospitals, severely injured after drinking illicit liquor. A probe has been ordered into the same, but the BJP and the AIADMK have questioned the silence of the DMK ally, the Congress party. While the DMK has said that a probe has been ordered in this regard, the Chief Minister is yet to meet the victims in Kallakurichi in the Hooch tragedy. The BJP has asked for the Chief Minister's accountability while also questioning not just the Congress party but also the India bloc allies. In fact, in the latest, JP Nadda has also written a letter to Mallikarjun Kharge saying, ask Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi to muster the courage to speak up for the victims of the Hooch tragedy. The BJP questioned the silence of the Congress, but the Congress said that it has not been silent on the issue. This rebuttal, though, came not from Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but from the Congress MP in Tamil Nadu, Karti Chidambaram. Listen in to the war of words.
The Indie bloc, what they did, it's very unfortunate. See, there is an incident in Tamil Nadu. Almost 55 persons have died. The Indie bloc alliance partner is ruling the government. Almost, they are speaking about the constitution. Almost 34 Dalits are died in that. So still Mallikarjuna Kharge or Rahul Gandhi or no one is not opened their mouth or they didn't told anything about that incident. So this attitude of the Indie bloc is condemnable.
No, we are not silent at all. We have completely condemned it. We have asked the government to take the necessary steps to curb illegal liquor. We have done it. We are not silent. The Congress party is very responsible and is completely conscious of what's happening there. And it is a serious issue. And we are not silent by any stretch of imagination.
So the showdown and the political attacks over the Hooch tragedy continues. The AIADMK MLAs have walked out of the assembly and will be heading to the Raj Bhavan to meet the Governor R.N. Ravi and to hand over a memorandum on the Hooch tragedy. The AIADMK MLAs will be requesting the Governor to order for a CBI probe in the matter. Yesterday, a delegation of the BJP had also met the Governor with a similar demand, and now in the latest, it is the AIADMK MLAs who are headed to the Raj Bhavan. My colleague Varshini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Varshini, the showdown over the Hooch tragedy continues. The opposition continuing to hold the DMK government accountable. After the BJP delegation, now it is the AIADMK headed to the Governor demanding a CBI probe.
Absolutely, yes. The opposition parties looks like they're not letting this incident go because of the kind of, serious situation that we are able to witness in Kallakurichi. We are seeing back-to-back protests by all the political parties. And yesterday we saw the BJP delegation headed by the party chief, state chief K. Annamalai, met the governor, gave him a memorandum, and they requested two things. One, for a CBI probe into this matter, and the second one is to shunt the prohibition minister out from the ministry because he has not even visited to the place and he's not taken any action upon it, is the allegations that the BJP had put forth. And today as well, for the third time, the AIADMK, after this assembly session started, they have created a ruckus in the assembly, and the speaker Appavu had evicted them for the second time, and they walked out another day. So they have not participated in this assembly session. They are only demanding that the CBI probe should be ordered in this matter. They do not trust in the CBCID, and they're also asking for a resignation from the Chief Minister himself, and they're also expecting that this issue should be discussed in the Assembly as soon as the Assembly convenes. And today they were unfortunately even suspended from the Assembly. And Minister K. Nehru even requested for an entire suspension of the ADMK MLAs for the next, for the entire session that is remaining. Therefore, it is chaotic in here, and it is all because of the 58 lives that has been lost in the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy. Though the CBCID has arrested more than 14 people, and they have also conducting investigation and to find out more links in this matter. Though a one-man commission headed by retired Justice Gokul Das is also conducting an inquiry in Kallakurichi, it does not seem satisfactory for the public and the opposition parties, is what one can understand from this given point of time here.
Okay, all right, Varshini, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll continue coming back to you for those updates. The AIADMK MLAs being suspended, heading to the governor's residence. In fact, yesterday the BJP delegation had also met the governor, accusing the accused in the Hooch tragedy having links with the DMK and saying there should be an impartial probe. Demanding a CBI probe, today the plea will also be taken up in the Madras High Court. A lot expected. We're keeping a tab of all of these updates. Very quick break now. We'll be right back.